Welcome to the Nova Airmada channel, to the usual suspects and to the newcomers. Today's aircraft is a Trans World Airlines, also known as TWA, Boeing 757-2Q8 airliner that has been in use and still being used for regional and international flights in and around North America for 3 different airlines. This aircraft is powered by 2 Pratt Whitney PW2000 series high bypass turbofans, with each engine able to generate up to 42,600 pounds force or 189 kilonewtons. Each aircraft typically carries around 200 passengers in a typical 2-class layout, but that can be increased to 239 when needed. The aircraft has a maximum cruise speed of 496 knots or 918 kilometers an hour, with a range of around 4,000 nautical miles or 7,300 kilometers with a standard payload. This aircraft was acquired by Trans World Airlines, aka TWA, on January 30th, 1997. This aircraft carried TWA's last independent livery, known as the Golden Globe livery. The registration, which this aircraft carries to this day in 2023, was and is November 704 X-ray. TWA's merger with American Airlines occurred in late 2001. Initially, American planned on flying TWA as a separate subsidiary. However, the choice of having a hybrid livery, as seen in these pictures, a combination of American Airlines' red, white, and blue cheat line with the TWA titles, caused confusion not only with air traffic control personnel, but also with other airlines personnel. This livery, in the end, only lasted a couple of years. By 2003, the aircraft was brought fully into the American Airlines classic cheat line livery. By 2007, Delta Airlines leased the aircraft for its own use. The aircraft was upgraded with winglets for improved range performance. The livery was painted into the, at the time, brand new onward and upward livery from the post-Delta Northwest Airlines merger. Briefly stored in San Bernardino, California during the COVID pandemic, the aircraft returned to service in 2021 and continues flying passengers today. What you are seeing now is a video showing the 1/400 scale NG models version of this aircraft, released in 2023. As you can see here, this is one of the 3 total runs of this particular aircraft, with the other 2 being a Delta 1/400 and a Delta 1/500 scale model. This channel survives with you, the viewer, and your ongoing support. The more you like my videos helps me get more views, and more views brings in more subscribers. This in turn generates a wider distribution around YouTube, which repeats the process. If you like what you've seen, hit those like buttons and spread the word. We've enjoyed making this video, and we hope you've had fun watching it. Thank you and good day.